In this video, we are going to show another mistake that is commonly made when tying the end knot for hunter braids. So in this video, she has already braided down, added her yarn, and tied her end knot. She's going to pull the braid up through with her latch hook. She's going to wrap her hair around the yarn to hide the hair up inside the house. Next, she's going to tie her knot underneath at the base of the neck. And then in this mistake, she's not going to put her fingers in the top of the braid to kind of anchor it and bump it against the neck. Instead, she's just going to tie a knot on top. And what happens to this braid is it floats up so it's not anchored against the neck. And you can see how there's space between the braid and the crest of the neck. And it just kind of sticks out. And it is not uniform with the two that she did prior.